My Planet, a book of environmental studies. 3. Chapter 17. Means of communication. Pep up. What are the means of communication that you use to communicate with friends or relatives? What is communication? Communication means to speak, write or use signs and sound to share ideas and information with each other. Most people communicate by talking or by listening and writing. Communication in early times. People used to communicate by beating drums, sending smoke signals or pigeons with messages. Men were sent on foot or on horses to deliver messages, but it all took a long time. Later, faster means of communication were developed. Think and write. A. How do you communicate with others? B. How was the message conveyed in early times? C. Why were the olden methods of communication discarded? Postal communication. It is one of the oldest, cheapest and the most widely used system of communication. Postcard, inland letters, aerogram or an airmail is used to send messages in India or outside India. For urgent message, we send letters through speed post or courier. Urgent short messages are sent by telegram parcels and many can also be sent by post. Postal system. A letter written on postcard, inland letter or on paper, enclosed in an envelope, should have proper stamp, the name and address of the person, with pin code number, to whom it is sent. It is posted in a letter box from where it is carried by the postman, sorted at the post office and delivered to the person concerned. The letters may be sent by ordinary post. It takes 4 to 7 days to reach the concerned person. Registered post. You get a receipt for sending it. Speed post. It is the fastest way to send a letter. Courier service. Letters, parcels, etc. sent by persons and it reaches to another person in 1 or 2 days. Electronic communication. A telephone is the quickest and most convenient means of communication. Sitting at home, we can speak to the person we want to, just by dialing the numbers. Telephone networks are spread all over the world. More to learn. Every big post office in our country has its own 6-digit PIN. It becomes easier for the postman to sort the letters according to their destinations. Think and write. A. What is mass communication? B. Why has TV become so popular? C. Which is your favorite TV program? Nowadays, mobile phones have become very popular. They can be carried everywhere. Internet provides latest information about everything and connects us to the outside world. The facilities like emails and chat help us to send or receive messages from a person sitting miles and miles away just in seconds. For sending written messages, pictures and text instantly, you can use a fax machine over a telephone line. Mass communication. It is the way of communicating to a large number of people at the same time. Newspapers and magazines are written way of mass communication. Radio is an audio means of it. Television is an audiovisual means of it. Let's recapitulate. Communication is the art of sending and receiving messages and information. In olden days, people used to communicate by beating drums and sending smoke signals. The postal system is one of the oldest, cheapest and most widely used system of communication. Telephone, mobile phone and email are the electronic means of communication. Newspaper, radio and television are means of mass communication.